Hello everyone, so I have the latest Your Creative Studio box today, which was originally curated as May, you can see here, but maybe you can read there that this says March box, because for me, I was subscribed back when the shipping debacle happened, and so mine are all kind of pushed back. Here's the card, let's see. Looks like flowers, roses maybe, not sure. I'm going to go ahead and take the box away, save as much of the tissue paper as possible because I do reuse that. And oh wow, there's a box in here. This is super exciting. I have no idea what this is. And I've got sequins in the way, sorry. Okay, go ahead and we'll start with the masking tape because I see that right here. I can't really tell from the picture what it is. It's very vintage, which of course this is the vintage inspired box, so that's perfect. And it looks like it's got some script on it. Ooh, and a lovely beautiful rose. Really subtle, but it looks like a rose and script and kind of splotchy inky stuff and maybe some postage marks here. Alright, this is killing me, so I'm going to have to see what this is. It's a very nice sturdy box here with a rubber band around it, which is a super thick, lovely green rubber band. I'm keeping that. I never find good rubber bands, and it looks like it's taped as well, so I'm going to get some help here with my little pen knife. Oh boy, is it a pen? I have no idea. Whoa, it is a dip pen, a glass dip pen. Well, that explains the packaging. This is a lovely item I've never had. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's what this is. I do have inks, so I'll have to try that out and pop that footage in and see how it writes. It's nice to hold. Alright, now it's time to showcase the dip pen. So I've never had a glass one. I have used dip pens before. I like how it feels, like this curve thing. And you might be wondering, why are her fingers purple? Well, I got out my Winsor & Newton drawing ink and the lid was like glued shut by the dried on ink. So, yep. But I did manage to get it open after all of this loveliness. And you know what? I could probably reuse that cloth for something. So I'm just going to show you first what it is. Like with drawing ink, I am really pleased with its performance. You can see I wrote that earlier, but here's the action shot. I can't think of anything really cool to write, so hello it is. I write that a lot when I'm trying pens out and things. How about a happy face, huh? And then I was trying to draw that, the flower, that. This paper, that's a horrible heart, but if you're wondering, I'm just using this previous Sketchbox paper, so it is kind of a watercolor paper, but it's, you know, it's not all watercolor. Anyway, losing my train of thought there. I was impressed with how much this holds. It seems to hold a lot of ink, and I also tried it out with a watercolor ink, so that's pretty cool. You can just write with it, and you can hear just a little bit of scratching on the paper, but it actually, I find it easier to use than some of my metal pens with the metal nibs, but I don't have anything expensive or, you know, fancy, so I'm sure there are other ones that are better, but, and just, I think it's probably important to clean it off, so that's what I had this water here for. I just dip it in. Definitely keeping the box to store it because I don't trust myself not to break it. But that is drawing ink. So here, you might be wondering what I'm doing here. This, I, for the life of me, could not find my espresso powder that I just bought, like at it's instant coffee that I bought at the dollar store. And so I brewed some really strong coffee. So maybe that espresso powder would work better, but I wanted to show you, in case you don't have drawing ink and you got this box, this is coffee, brewed coffee. So it's very light, and again, it probably is good to use it on a paper that can handle wet media, because, for example, here is a scrap of just printer paper, and it just spreads out a lot more. But, you know, you can still draw with it, so if you don't have ink on hand, you can still use coffee and draw. Yeah. Anyway, that's that. It's pretty neat. I'm pretty excited. I would still clean it off afterwards. And, yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm gonna stick it back in here so I don't break it. That's pretty amazing. I wasn't expecting that. And then, let's see, what do we have here? This is a cling stamp. Oops, I tore that part. Ooh, I like the envelope there. Different end. And, as always, I will stamp this out and put that in also. But let's have a look there. That looks like a dip pen, a feather dip pen, some mail organizer, and some envelopes. These are cool. I haven't had anything like this before. It says note bar sticker. And as always, there's beautiful packaging. I'd probably either cover up this part or chop it off and just use this as a tag or a journaling card. And I can cover up this with coffee dyed paper or paper scraps. Are these stickers? It feels like just it says sticker, so it must be a sticker, but it feels like just paper. So let's go ahead and, yes it is. It's like a very lightweight sticker. And, ooh, I love that peacock there, you can see. That takes a bit to focus. I'm just going to kind of fan these out down here a little. They're all beautifully vintage and postmark-like. I'm not going to go through each one. And we'll set that aside. I think my camera's zoomed in a little more than usual. What about some more stamps? Oh, another random rubber band? Sure, okay. These two, I believe, are also stamped. So let's open them up and then I'll just put the stamped images in after this. I have two in here. Oh, that's an odd one. Correos Ecuador, it says at the very bottom, and it looks kind of like a triangular postage stamp. And then this one, oh beautiful. I love these scripty, so versatile in journaling, junk journaling, and in art journaling, mixed media, all of that. So, yeah. Moving on here to the final stamp, cling stamp. And this one is a lovely lady. She could be Regency, Victorian maybe. And I don't know, it looks like she might have the pen near her mouth or something, but she's got a journal down there. I can't wait to see how that stamps out. Alright, here are the 4 stamps stamped out on some Neenah Classic Crest Solar White paper in Versamark Onyx Black ink. And I'll see if I can get real close for this. Come on, focus there. There we go. Correos Ecuador, the triangular postage stamp. And then we have kind of just a melange of postage marks and script and such. And then this is the dip pen, feather dip pen with the mail. And then finally, the lady contemplating while journaling, perhaps. Oh, I almost missed this little fella. So it's a tiny little envelope charm with a heart. And I'm going to get in there close. That is beautiful. I'm going to stick it back in the envelope so it's harder to lose. And let it hang out with my dip pen. These look like stickers. I think they are. Pretty neat. I'm getting a little chuckle over denied. I don't know. That just seems funny to me. But, yeah, they're postal themed. Ooh, that one has some Arabic script, which is pretty cool. All different kinds. There's another denied. Interesting there. Ooh, these are neat. They have distressed. And, oh, look, strips. That one looks very Scandinavian, or could be even Christmassy. Paris. And another one here. Love those. I always love this sort of thing. So, and for the custom sticker stamp here, not sticker, it's not stamp, sticker. What am I saying? This is the clear black outline. It looks like, I'm gonna say, a dove with an envelope. Pretty neat. Then we have, looks like tissue paper maybe, or what do you call those? Tissue paper, I guess. Ooh, I just was able to get one out very easily. And this is, I think, very similar or the same imagery that's on the washi tape. So you can kind of see it a little better there. It's kind of water staining or coffee staining, postage, script, postmarks, and a vintage rose there. What's in this? Ooh. Okay, so very nice large card here that could be used for decorating the front of a journal or cut down into cards, etc. And it's kind of like a stationery set. We have papers and envelopes. And the papers are very thin, slightly above copy weight. I love that this one has lines. Okay, so it looks like just two designs. Yeah, two designs there. White on the back. And I'm guessing two designs of the envelopes. Yep. The envelopes are a little bit heavier weight. I don't know if you can hear that. So they're sturdier and they're already put together. Lovely. Oh wow, there's a second set. Well, I think we know what's in here. I wonder if I was supposed to get two sets if it's not. I love the imagery on this card here. So I'm gonna have to watch other people's videos when they come out to see if I'm missing anything or if this was intentional. This is my favorite right here. Oh, I love the distressed blue. I wonder if hopefully you can see that as well. And the rose. Love that. Not that I didn't like the others, but this set is definitely my favorite. And this particular pattern, very much my favorite. And again, the envelopes. Look at that. Oh, that's so beautiful. Alright, that's what's in the box. Thanks for having a look at it with me. Let me know your ideas and your comments below, because I love to hear what other people think, and I love to get more creativity from your ideas as well. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful creative day. Bye!